If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To expand and show a report's header and footer settings after opening its customized report pane in QuickBooks Online if needed, click the Header/Footer sections label. These settings change based on the report you are customizing. However, they are almost identical for most standard reports. To add your company's current uploaded logo to reports, check the Show Logo checkbox under the header label in this section. To show the company name in the report header, check the Company Name checkbox. To change the way the company name appears in the report, type the value to show into the adjacent field to the right. To add the report's title to the header, check the Report Title checkbox. To change the report's title, type the desired title into the adjacent field to the right. To show the report period if available for the type of report you are customizing, check the Report Period checkbox. Under the Footer label, to show the date the report was run in the report's footer, check the Date Prepared checkbox. To show the time it was run, check the Time Prepared checkbox. To show the accounting method used to calculate the report's values, if available for the type of report you are customizing, check the Report Basis Cash versus Accrual checkbox. Under the Alignment label, to align the header content, select a choice from the Header dropdown. To align the content of the footer, select a choice from the Footer dropdown. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.